Hi everyone, I'm Dr.A.Saravanakumar, Assistant Professor, belongs to Department of Management Studies, SNS B-Spine, SNS Institutions. So last session we discussed about strategic intent and strategic formulation. So in this session we are going to discuss about strategy implementation. Strategy implementation is the action stage because now we are going to implement of strategic management. It refers to decisions that are made to install new strategy or reinforce existing strategy. So already we're having some strategy. If you want, you can change some reinforce again. So designing structure, process and system. Strategy implementation includes the making of decisions with regard to organization structure. We're going to develop the budget, programs and procedures in order to accomplish certain activities. Functional implementation. Functional implementation is carried out through functional plan and policies in 5 different areas. That is, a functional implementation means we are going to implement in marketing, finance, operations, HR, personnel, and information management. Behavioral implementation, so it's related to the employee's behavior. It denotes mobilizing more employees and managers to put and formulate strategies into action and require personal discipline, commitment, and sacrifice. It depends upon manager's ability to motivate employees. So in every organization, we are going to motivate the employees. Very, very important. To motivate the employees, definitely the employee will do anything. Operationalizing strategy, it includes establishing annual objectives, devising policies, and allocating resources. So these are the stages of strategy implementation. The final stage, I mean the action stage. Next, strategy evaluation and control. Strategy evaluation is the primary means to know when and why particular strategies are not working well. So if you're going to framing the strategy, some strategies they are not working. So you are going to evaluate where they are lagging. So it's a process in which corporate activities and performance results are monitored so that actual performance can be compared with desired performance. So there is some comparison. The strategic evaluation activities include reviewing external and internal factors that are the basis for current strategies. Strategic control. So where you have to control. In this step, organization determine what to control, that is which objectives the organization hopes to accomplish, set control standards, measure performance, compare the actual with the standards, determine the reasons for the deviations, and finally taking corrective action and review the policies and activities if needed. So you are going to finally taking the corrective action. That's only we are saying that we are going to control. So strategy evaluation and control. Next, objectives and setting objectives. In every organization, there are two objectives we are following. One, we are going to achieve more profit to attract more customers. So these two objectives for every organization. So what is that objective? What is the definition for objective means? Objectives are those ends which the organization seeks to achieve by its existence and operations. Objective is a specific commitment. So every employee, every organization, they are having a commitment. So specific commitment to achieve a measurable result within a specified time. So characteristics of organizational objectives: multiplicity, hierarchy, networking, time dimension, quantifiable and non-quantifiable objectives, social sanction. So these are the characteristics of organizational objectives. We will see one by one. First, multiplicity. So in that multiplicity means objectives trigger the problem of fixing priorities and harmonizing them. So which one is urgent, which one is not urgent. So you're going to prioritize. You're giving the importance to that particular work. So urgent, important, not urgent also. You can do it later, but it's important. That is, it's urgent. It's not now, it's not urgent. Hierarchy, top-down and bottom-up approaches. Objectives are framed across different levels of an organization. That's only I said top level, middle level, and low level. And also in that hierarchy, they're having the objectives like achieving profit, improving SaaS. These two objectives for top level management. Reducing the cost and reducing the waste. That is the cost reduction, waste management. It's related to middle level management. Reducing absenteeism. So employees are absent means the work will not completed. So reducing absenteeism and maintenance low level management. So these are the hierarchy, top level, top down and bottom up approaches. Networking. So everyone know networking is very important for every organization. Objectives are intertwined and networked with one another. That is a marketing, HR, production. So everything it will be networked. So there is a link between that each department. Time dimension. Objectives are time bound, short term, long term, and intermediate term. So short term, so within that short duration, you are going to complete your objective. Long term also, it's a vision and mission again. So the combination of short term and long term is in the intermediate term, right? So within the time duration, you must complete work. Then quantifiable and non-quantifiable. It means objective based on numbers, some quantities. So counting that numbers, that is that quantifiable. Non-quantifiable is nothing but quality. So what is the quality of the product? So improving productivity, increasing profit to certain number. That is a quantity. Improving productivity and increase profit to certain number. Improving job satisfaction and enhancing quality of products. So that is the difference between the quality and quantity. That's only we are saying quantifiable and non-quantifiable. Social sanction is nothing but objectives will conform to general needs of the society. So whatever the needs of the society, the organization will work. So next important role of objectives, legitimacy, sense of direction, motivation aids, control mechanism, coordination, unifying force. So these are all the important role of objectives. These are the workplace values also. You will see only one. Other things we will discuss in the next session. Legitimacy, they describe the purpose of an organization. What is the purpose? And they provide identity to an organization. So legitimacy is nothing. What is the purpose of an organization? What is the purpose? Because everyone having some purpose only you can do the work, you can complete the work. That purpose only to identity to an organization. That is a legitimacy. Sense of direction, so where we will go. So every provides a guide way towards the target. Every employee must have clear idea about what or he or she is supposed to do his job. So what is the job description? What is the roles and responsibilities in that particular job? So other points we'll discuss in the next session. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.